Welcome back to the Beecommercer Daily Buzz. It is Friday, March 6th, 2026, and the algorithm is demanding an entirely new type of authority. As AI answers permanently replace traditional clicks, the digital commerce playbook is being rewritten around a concept that you need to master immediately: citation gravity. Today, we are breaking down how to force LLMs to reference your brand, examining the hard data and real costs behind Google's expensive AI Max campaigns, and looking at Meta's surprising hesitation to inject LLMs into its core ad products. Let's get into it. SEO has officially evolved into GEO, and Forbes just introduced the critical new framework for this era: building citation gravity. When AI answers replace clicks, traditional ranking factors don't matter as much. Citation gravity is the undeniable weight of your structured data, your brand mentions, and your semantic authority. It is the gravitational pull that essentially forces an AI to cite your brand as the definitive source of truth. Brands are scrambling to adapt to this. Ad Age reports that major advertisers are aggressively partnering with specialized tech firms just to build this gravity. They even released a guide on the GEO and AEO startups that marketers need to know right now. For e-commerce specifically, an Adobe study covered by Content Grip highlights the urgent need for AI product search optimization. However, this push for automation comes with serious risks. Search Engine Land published a stark warning on how to use AI for SEO without losing your brand voice. The takeaway? You must have a rigorous QA workflow. If you let bots write everything unsupervised, you lose the unique brand voice that built your citation gravity in the first place. Moving to the actual point of sale, the battle for autonomous shopping is heating up. Digital Commerce 360 analyzes how Amazon and Walmart are approaching agentic commerce. They are actively building infrastructures that allow AI bots to negotiate and purchase on behalf of users. Not to be outdone, eMarketer notes that Target is using its own AI e-commerce engine to power its 2026 turnaround. To keep merchants loyal in this bot-driven war, Amazon is heavily upgrading its backend, rolling out an AI remake of Seller Central that gives sellers enterprise-grade predictive modeling. But let's talk about the cost of all this AI, specifically on Google. Media buyers are facing a harsh reality. A massive new study covered by Search Engine Land reveals the truth about Google's AI Max campaigns. Yes, they drive higher revenue, but they do it at a significantly higher CPA. Search Engine Journal unpacked the SMEC data, and the conclusion is clear. AI Max is a volume play that sacrifices efficiency. The machine will get you more conversions, but it will spend your money less efficiently to get them. If you are running AI Max, you can no longer just look at top-line revenue. You have to ruthlessly monitor your profit margins, or the bot will spend you out of business. Here are 3 other major moves in the ad tech space you need to track. Number 1, Meta is keeping LLMs out of its core ads, for now. Despite the massive industry hype, Digiday reports that Meta's LLM bets have yet to touch its core ad targeting business. They are relying instead on their proven traditional machine learning models. Meanwhile, to stave off EU regulators, Reuters reports Meta is actually allowing AI rivals into WhatsApp. Number 2, AppLovin targets e-commerce. The duopoly officially has a challenger. At the recent MS conference, the AppLovin CEO touted a massive e-commerce push. They are expanding their highly efficient predictive engine from mobile gaming user acquisition directly into direct-to-consumer retail. Number 3, a massive win for custom product sellers. Search Engine Roundtable spotted a new build-to-order attribute inside Google Merchant Center. This is perfect timing. Printful just revealed its 2026 hoodie trends, and if you are selling custom or print-on-demand apparel, this new Google attribute allows you to properly flag your inventory so the AI knows it's customized. Before we head into the weekend, a few quick trends off the clock. eMarketer highlights a truth about SMBs. The killer app for LLMs isn't deep creative strategy. It's simply speed. Get it done faster. Also, OpenAI just released a new framework on understanding AI and learning outcomes to address the ongoing panic about ChatGPT in the classroom. And if you are trying to keep track of every feature drop, check out the official Google AI Updates recap for February 2026. So, what's the final buzz for the week? Don't buy the automation hype blindly. Build your citation gravity so the bots have to respect you, but guard your profit margins against volume-hungry campaigns like AI Max. That's all for today's Beecommercer Daily Buzz. Have a great weekend.